Vertex is all about innovation and freshness. I now request Pratyush from the Department of Biotech to give us a glimpse of Vertex, the journey so far.
Thank you, Priya. A very good afternoon to one and all. I'm Pratyush from the Department of Biotechnology, and I take pride in presenting here the details of the Technical Fest of MBJC. Vertex, a very thoughtful venture by the faculty and students of our college that called for applause. The journey to the inception of Vertex has been a long one, and the credit for this goes to the college management. And a special credit goes to the team RGN, who have worked on the fest from the conceptualization and planning to the execution of every detail to give us the first ever national level technical extravaganza in Bangalore. Team RGN named after the members Rajshekhar, Gaurish and Naveen from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering and the Department of Medical Electronics set out on their commendable tryst with technology when they began participating in robotics competitions conducted by various colleges and universities like IIT Madras, Anna University, VIT, SRM University, NIT Trichy, Sastra University, BITS Pilani from as early as November 07. They have participated in more than 60 competitions and have won 30 of them with 20 first positions, 6 second positions, 3 consolation positions and 1 best engineering design in the Pragyan 08, TechFest 08, Technesium 08, Pantheon 08, Verve, RoboVeda, Arush, Ideas, Sparsh Sastra, Effusion, Kurukshvatra, Pragyan, Daksh, and annual V2 Youth Festival. Apogee 09, Utsav 09 to name a few. RGN also got an opportunity to receive a prize from the well-known Indian cricketer Robin Singh at SRM University. Team RGN then took the initiative to extend their enthusiasm for technology and robotics as an opportunity to other students who share the same enthusiasm. This initiative led to the formation of Magnum Opus, MBJ's very own robotics club. The club was inaugurated on 13th November under the able guidance and support from late Dr. A. Natarajan, Dean and HOD of the Department of EC. The club has organized seminars on robotics and hands-on workshops, including intra-collegiate autonomous line-following robot competition, Technomaze 09, autonomous line-follower competition, and racing robots at Swayam 09. Apart from RGN team, the club also has Illuminati team and the Shrusti team. Vibhav, Brijesh, Tabrez and Rohit comprise the Illuminati team and they have won 15 prizes at national level. Arun, Panchasharya, Vasant, they comprise the Shrusti team and they have won 8 prizes in the national level competitions. In all, the Robo Club comprises of 150 students. Adding another achievement to our journey so far was the fact that for NI Yantra, that's Embedded System Design Contest conducted by the National Instruments, a multinational company, our college was selected as one of the top 25 colleges from India and our RGN team presented a project on novel architecture of emergency mitigation using autonomous robots with a working model for the same. Here the team was given a 5-day lab view training by NI and a team of 5 presented the project and also won the 3rd position in the All India context. We would also like to make a special mention of Project Autonomous Surveillance Robot, where the Robo Club was provided with the challenge to make an unmanned ground vehicle for National Instruments in February 2010, with a time limit of just 12 days. And yet again, the team successfully submitted the project to National Instruments. The robot was exhibited by National Instruments at the Defense Expo held on the 19th and 20th of February in New Delhi, and the teams received enthusiastic responses and fervent applause both by visitors and the defense. Presently, the Robo Club are working on the DRDO student robotics competition. Though colleges focus on the annual cultural fests and sporting activities, there is a need for a venture that will enable students to innovate, display, learn and compete with other students like themselves on technical aspects that will help link the wide differences between what they learn as a part of their curriculum and the ever-changing technical scenario of the real world. And I'm happy that our college has come up with this breakthrough initiative. Departmental fests pertaining to specific aspects of one branch of engineering or discipline are common, but engineering is multidisciplinary. And so, there is a need for a common technical fest that allows the students of all branches to participate in a unified manner in events of every branch and discover their strengths and talents and thereby help boost their confidence. And keeping this in mind, When the team was given an opportunity to organize a national level robotics fest, they extended it to organize a national level technical fest common to all departments instead, so that they could provide an opportunity for all the students to exhibit their versatility. The RGN team formulated the complete framework for this national level tech fest and approached the HODs of each and every department with this plan. They also presented the plan to the management. With the agreement and support of all the HODs and with the help of the management, the team got down to the execution of the technical fest plan. The RGN team, along with Abhishek Bhattacharya and Ashwin, formed the core team for the realization of this fest under the able guidance of Dr. Suraiswamy and Dr. Nathu Swami. Every department had 2 students and 1 faculty representative in the committee who worked on the finalization of the events, the rules, the regulations, campaigning, organization of the fest. The team had a tough job coming up with a list of competitions, which from an initial 90 competitions had to be zeroed down to 37 competitions. The same difficulty was encountered in finalizing the name for the fest. From around 50 odd names, the teams finally decided Vertex with a tech to incorporate the technical dimension in the name of the fest. Vertex 1.0 also follows the standard technical norm, this being the first version of the fest, and the team hopes that there will be many more additions to Vertex to live up to the legacy and the vision of the team for a successful and eagerly awaited technical fest. The theme for the fest is Go Green. Keeping in view the current environmental conditions, which are a mere reflection of the repercussions of unplanned and unethical leaps made by technology, we have come up with a very apt theme to prove that we are not only technologically advanced engineers, but are also responsible enough to take care of the mother nature. But Vertex 1.0 is just a beginning. It is still a burgeon, and we hope it blooms to its full radiance in the upcoming versions. We plan to extend this venture to a community learning opportunity with workshops and seminars throughout the duration of the fest. Also, an effort will be made to project the technical talents of the students to the fullest through Vertex, and also invite industries to participate and witness the events, and hence transform Vertex into an efficient placement catalyst for our able engineers. And since the talents and efforts can also be accommodated and exhibited in a short time of 3 days, we are also planning to begin the circulation of the college's very own technical magazine, a one-of-a-kind college magazine, exclusively for showcasing the events, the achievements of our students in the technical fields, publish projects being undertaken by our students, and also provide updates on latest technology and areas with potential for our students to exercise their technological wisdom. In conclusion, friends, this is just the beginning of a beginning. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratyush. I now request the chief guest of the day to address the gathering.